So viewer subscriber, in this update we have Pretti a speak out on the whole situation of Jahshii brother getting murdered. Plus she also give some serious advice to the upcoming young artists them. You see me know no don't want to miss it. Plus Jahshii also released his latest single Numb. If you haven't heard of it, go and go check it out on YouTube. But in this review, we're going to talk about it. So channel man, remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and we can kick this off the right way. So via subscriber, as I said before, Jahshii released his latest single Numb, and Jahshii I make feel his pain. Jahshii I make know how him feel. Jahshii I make know say yo the strongest soldier, and them always I get the fight. You see, if you're not firm in this life, I'll just kick you down. You see me? You have to firm, even when the ground is shake, you have to stand up firm, you can't move. Jahshii I make know all of the pain him feel. But you see that youth, me don't know where Jahshii get himself in, but trust me, it's not a good thing. It's not a good look for Jahshii. Cause you see enough people out there where rate Jahshii and respect him, you know. Enough of the big talent them out there, you know, where they in a dancehall for years now, you know, respect Jahshii. But me don't know where Jahshii get himself in. And best believe, bro, as me this says, it's not a good look. Jahshii, see the industry, brother there, bro. See it there drop a song when name Numb, and yeah, me could know how you feel from. You see me? The man them now itch, bro. Just like me said before, can't catch Quaco, them catch him shot. Jahshii, them a come for you, bro. You see me? But Pretti also speak of your subscriber. Me go make on hear what Pretti have to say first. Then me go make on hear Peace, the new single that Jahshii released. As me say, it goes by the name of Numb. You can go check it out on YouTube. But remember, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Yeah, man.
Pussy them want me go graveyard. You see, uno look at nowadays artists. Uno never learn from enough of look at nowadays peers like all the same Silk Boss where your name did in a quarrel. One time them beat Silk Boss that a feed same bad man friend them. Bat him up and make him pit blood. Shoot down him baby mother. Deal with him in all kind of violence. Make sure everybody like your video, you know. Make sure everybody share and, you know. One time all of that was said and done, everybody still did a run down this badness. The amount of badness and the preaching of badness and the whole of no one bad man friend. And they done them for you over yes, I want to friend them. I want to link with them, they done there. I want to friend them a shooty. I want to friend them someone a talented blood clot artist. What can write good music, art, intelligent youths, articulate. Una can deal with yourself in a society in the right way, but una choose peers just because of the hype and the fame, and because of that una friend them a do. And at that because una feel like so una friend them a bad man, and una friend them come from cassava piece, and una friend them come from this ya bad area ya, and una friend with this ya Dania, and una friend with this ya bad man ya, una have to go take up them sitting there for una self, and I know a repercussion dead for them thing there. For the house a go burn down, for the whole of the people them will get shot. For your name calling a badness and make people, family dead. Una no know say it now end this up. Una just feel like say badness is something that people talk about and sing about. But when you reach out on the front door, una no know what the fuck to do. You see me? Una run away, una say everything what una want say, but una never know when una make them choice here where it come with. When una make them blood clot friendship down, una never know where blood clot come with, bad man. Una talented youth. Nobody me not see talented like Jahshii right now. As a little youth, will come out and sing some good song. Make the system look on him different as a youth to sing all gun tune. And I say, alright, yeah. Jahshii a good youth. You understand me? But the friends we keep are the friends we keep, you know, Jahshii. You understand what I say? So your friend them when you keep are gonna make you there all over the place, make your name calling and all kind of things. All if you as the artist now do it, but because you are involved, because you're affiliated, because you're over there parading around with these people. You make it seem like you are with everything that these people are doing. So all if you never do it, all if your family never do it, you are a part of it because you are affiliated with it. All me I say, artists, uno fi put down them things and go take up on a real talent, me G. Uno bust in the system, Father God help uno fi bust in the system, fi be a entertainer. Take up that no man. Lead the youths them a right no man. No lose no family because of pure pressure bad man. Because of uno friends them wanna keep bad man. You see me I say, uno go deal with the music bad man. Sing song make the youths them uplift them head bad man. You feel me I deal with? Stop keep certain friends youth. Stop putting the family them in danger, bad man. A life after life after life no make no sense, youth. You kill my brother, so me go kill back you. Then me go kill back somebody that no make no sense. The pain is still there. Everybody is still hurting. Everybody is still crying. Everybody feel a certain way. Avoid what can be avoided, bad man.
Alright, so I just stop it right there of your subscriber because I'm not supposed to understand and get to Pretti than I say. Pretti than I make we understand the whole situation clearly. And she give some serious advice to the upcoming artists them. Badness and music don't mix. If you are the badness, you do badness, bro. If a music, then a music. You see, me no want nobody to enter the comment section and I say, oh, Pretti than chat too much and about things like that because Pretti than make some clear and very good points. You see me? She makes some very good points, bro. You can't mix badness and music. And if you do, then consequences are gonna come with it. You see me? As I say, it's a sad news, you know, the entertainer, brother drop out or family member, you know. But at the end of the day, you have to know who you are par with. I think the saying say, show me a company and I'll tell you who you are. I think I saw you go. And I see him think I go for Jahshii now. Show me a company and I'll tell you who you are. You see me? You have to know who you are par with and who they in your circle. You see me? Them only with you for a period of time. Them only with you till you can give them what they want until they cannot anymore. Then you go see the other side of them. You see me?
Now the studio I make for everybody here. Oh, me feel nobody care. How I could have cast this, I probably feel.
So the entertainer a paint an image in our heads and make we know the pain we must feel. And you see, from your entertainer and you can do something like that, trust me, you're very, very talented. Jahshii needs to use his gift more. You see me? You have to know who you are part of, Jahshii. Best believe.
It's got prepared. You can't see light without darkness. What is life without fight? Still.
What is life without fight? In a life, you get a lot of fight. Pan a day to day, you get fight. When you go to your workplace, you get fight. But you have to strong, as me said before. You have to strong. So when you get them fighter, them don't push you over easy. You have to firm. The entertainer also make you know say, you cannot see light without darkness. And that's a fact because no matter where you go, even if you're in the broad sunlight, there's always going to be a dark area somewhere there. You know? It could be a shadow. It could be a shadow of something. There's always going to be a dark area. You see me? In this world, bro, you have to firm, bro. You have to strong mentally and physically. Because it's not easy to survive on a day to day. It's not easy. You see me? Every day you wake up, you're going to wake up with some struggles. Even the rich man, even the richest man out there, the richest man and woman out there, I go wake up with struggles. Then just now go show you it. You see me? But the entertainer I speak out in a song as me say.
Never give thanks regardless. The vision, the future look brighter. What is light without dark? Strongest soldier.
No matter what, you have to give God thanks, you know. You have to give God thanks no matter what, no matter where you go through in your life. Because at the end of the day, you never have to wake up. You never have to be where you're at right now. So you have to give thanks no matter what. You see me? Jahshii, hold up your head, bro. Hold up your head and be safe in the streets. The streets don't love nobody. And just continue putting good music, you know? The fans them they there for you. Continue putting the work in a dancehall.
You can't see light without darkness, man. No time, man. So you see it. Light never stop shine. No time at all. No time, no matter what. Nothing at all. Can't stop the light from shining. You hear that? Respect. You don't know the thing go. First Nation. You don't know, you know. The song Numb it out now, so I'm gonna make it. But for that, I'm just there. You see it. Okay.